Now, cement stocks are in focus. Brokerage house Antique has issued a downgrade on Ramco Cements. Nigel, tell us more.
Well, that's right. Ramco Cements actually was down close to 2% in the morning trading session. Yesterday as well, it was down close to 2% because the cement industry was a little bit fearful about price cuts and no price hikes actually coming about because of the monsoon. But the reason that the stock is in focus today is because Antique has downgraded the stock to hold. They've cut the target price to 840 rupees. When there's a price target, there has to be two factors that play out. One is the earnings they could have trimmed off, which they have done by close to 5 to around 8%, the EBITDA estimates. And they downgraded the multiple as well. Now they're giving it 12 times in comparison to around 13 times. Basically, they're factoring in lower profitability. Why is that? 4 reasons. One is cement prices are at 4-year lows. And even in the past quarter, I saw a big decline, contraction in prices, both on a sequential as well as on a year-on-year basis. They say that we may not see any meaningful improvement in pricing from here on. Point number one. Point number two, they have close to around 75% of their total mixed in South India. And out there, the utilization levels are around 65%. Antique says they're expecting it not to go below 55%, but not to go above 85% on. So it'll be in that vicinity of around 55 to around 85%. They say as of now, the utilization levels are at around 65%. They also highlight that in South India, they've seen some consolidation. So larger players coming in and taking a stake or either buying out smaller names. Like Penna got taken over by Ambuja. You had, the Ultratech going ahead and taking over Kesoram. And now Ultratech has gone ahead and bought a big chunk in India Cement. So those assets could ramp up. If that's the case, it could put pressure on pricing and in terms put pressure on profitability as well. And profitability is key for Ramco to go ahead and deleverage their balance sheet and also to get a bit of a re-rating. For the time being, they've downgraded the stock to hold and they've trimmed the target price because of all these reasons.
All right, Nigel, thanks a lot for that. That's about Ramco Cements, down about 1%. We spoke with